Part of this project is we're going to train some of you all to film a documentary about the making of it. So what we want to know is which of you would like to work on the video part, the documentary of the making of it? 1, 2, 3. That's 4. All right.
Like a part of what you all drew or what you attempted to draw is for you to put your real reality on there. Because it's not always the trees, the parks. You may have even shared some of your experience.
I said we have a documentary program called I Got a Story to Tell. I'm going to come into that documentary program and they can make a documentary about the students making the mural. I work with Cordell and Cordae, Zay, Todd, Azion, and TJ. They went through weeks of training with us on Fridays. They shot everything themselves. They edited themselves. We broke them up into 2 teams. Team 1, which had Cordell and Zay on it, they made the documentary that you're going to see first. Team 2 was Cordae and Ty and TJ. They made the recap video that you're going to see second. Okay?
You look at that mural, what you're seeing is the expression of the teams. Not me, not Miss Gracie Peck, who helped work on it, not any of the mentors who were awesome. You're seeing the stories of these kids, and they